Russian troops failed to organize a coherent retreat when Ukrainian forces launched a surprise counteroffensive against them in areas around Kharkiv, Ukraine's second-largest city, according to the Institute for the Study of War. Ukraine launched a surprise counterattack in the northeast Kharkiv region after the country spoke openly for weeks about its intent to begin a large-scale offensive on the southern Kherson region, a strategically important location because of its proximity to the Russian-occupied Crimean Peninsula. The Washington, D.C.-based think tank ISW wrote in its daily update on Monday on the war that Russia had brought more of its forces in the south in response to a Kherson attack, but had left its front lines thin in Kharkiv Oblast. In recent days, Ukrainian forces have seized control of key cities such as Izium and Kupiansk, forcing Russian troops to retreat. Kyiv has been making far more progress on its counterattack than many analysts predicted. ISW also noted that anti-social media posts appear to show abandoned Russian tanks and other military equipment near Izium. Ukrainian forces have inflicted a major operational defeat on Russia, recapturing almost all Kharkiv Oblast in a rapid counteroffensive, the ISW said. The Ukrainian success resulted from skillful campaign design and execution that included efforts to maximize the impact of Western weapon systems such as HIMARS. Kyiv's long discussion and then an announcement of a counter-offensive operation aimed at Kherson Oblast drew substantial Russian troops away from the sectors on which Ukrainian forces have conducted decisive attacks in the past several days. Russian troops likely withdrew from the area in great haste, and social media posts show abandoned tanks and other heavy military equipment near Izium, which indicates that Russian troops failed to organize a coherent retreat, the institute added. The ISW said that Ukraine had turned the tide of war in its favor, and that Kyiv would likely increasingly dictate the location and nature of much of the fighting. It added that Moscow will find itself increasingly responding poorly to growing Ukrainian physical and psychological pressure in successive military campaigns, unless Moscow finds some way to regain the initiative. Ukraine has said its offensive is snowballing. The country's chief commander, General Valery Zaluzhny, told on Sunday how his forces had regained control of more than 3,000 square kilometers, 1,160 square miles, since the start of September. Ukraine has also claimed to have made gains in the Kherson region, capturing several villages. Russia, meanwhile, has rarely commented on the counteroffensive, leading to mistrust in the command and pro-war military bloggers to rail against the Kremlin and the Ministry of Defense, citing lack of progress in the conflict. The ISW said that the Kharkiv counterattack is straining the Kremlin's relationship with the Ministry of Defense, further alienating Russian President Vladimir Putin from the higher military command.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.